dear clients, welcome to LAUREANA Grand Plains. LAUREANA Grand Plains is a 13.5 hectares exclusive subdivision located at Libby Road, Puan, Bago, Oshiro, Davao City, with access roads in the south: 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗀 Bypass Road, UP Mintal, Bago, 𝗟R𝘂𝗶𝗍, and Toril proper. Available: lot for sale, bungalow house and lot, and two-story house and lot, with a minimum lot area of 180 square meters. Accessible location: gated community with 24/7 security, wide roads and walkway, with clubhouse, parks, and playground. Lot for sale for as low as 16,800 per square meter. Reservation fee, 30,000 pesos only. Down payment, 30% of the total package and 70% loanable. Price of bungalow and two-story ranges from 9.6 million to 17.6 million. Reservation fee, 50,000 pesos only. Hurry, invest now. For more details, please contact this number. For more updates, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Daghang salamat po!